everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this episode, I'm gonna let you know the ways to send money on Revolut. So in order to send money on Revolut or transfer money on Revolut, you just have to follow the steps. Now first of all, you need to send money to a Revolut customer. So for that, you could also send it through a Revolut as well. So you could go and log in into your Revolut account. When you're logged into your Revolut account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you need to go ahead and tap on the payment from the menu bar at the bottom of your app. Then you need to tap on the search bar at the top of the page, then select a friend or a contact. You can also search by a phone number, email, ref tag, or scan a QR code, whichever is convenient for you. After that, click on the send button in order to initiate the transfer. Enter the amount and tap send again. Before sending it, make sure to review all of the information and then confirm the transaction. So by following this step, you should have successfully sent money on Revolut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.